Greetings, fellow explorers. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to the heart of Russia, where history, culture, and modernity converge. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Moscow, a city that resonates with centuries of stories. Our adventure begins amidst the lively streets of Moscow, where the old and new harmoniously coexist. The energy of the city is palpable, as the echoes of history blend seamlessly with the rhythm of contemporary life. Gaze upon the awe-inspiring Red Square, framed by the mighty Kremlin and adorned by the whimsical domes of St. Basil's Cathedral. These historic landmarks are the heart and soul of Moscow. Step into the hallowed halls of the Kremlin, where history is etched onto every stone. Discover the treasures of Russia's past, from opulent cathedrals to the armory chamber's glittering collection. Cruise along the tranquil Moscow River, where the city's skyline unfolds before you. Bridges adorned with intricate designs add an artistic touch to this flowing tapestry of history. Indulge your senses in Moscow's culinary delights, from hearty Russian dishes to delectable sweets. The city's dining scene is a journey that traverses traditional flavors and contemporary innovations. Dive into Moscow's artistic soul as you explore theaters, galleries, and creative spaces that showcase Russia's rich cultural heritage. The city's artistic pulse is as dynamic as its history. As the sun sets, Moscow's skyline transforms into a panorama of lights, a testament to the city's vibrant energy. Join us in celebrating the grandeur of Moscow, a city that bridges the past and future. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, an adventurer, or simply captivated by the allure of Russia, Moscow promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the magic with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more captivating